Oh, the little brat. And looky, camping. Yes. He's getting shaved tomorrow. So I'm gonna do a before and after video. It's gonna be awesome.
And here's our awesome water bottles. We've got one. And so Wookie was just rolling in the grass and he was all dirty when he shook off. It was like magic. He got all clean.
Oh no! Winchester's is wet. No! Watch, he dries in 2 seconds. It's so hot out. Okay. Oh. Good boy, Wookie, good boy. As you can see, he's dirty. Wookie, shake.
He will.
See? And now he's all clean. Oh, look at it. It's a Wookie magic.
Magic.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.